Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can set lock screen pattern password in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, go to the settings. Now click on lock screen. Now click on lock screen type and select pattern. Draw the pattern that you want to set. Here I would like to set this pattern. Click on continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify. Click confirm. And remember this pattern. If you forget it, it will be very difficult to unlock it. And here in the notification you can select icons only or details. This is icons only. Okay, if you put lock screen and in the notification icons will be showing, or details notification will be showing. That is if some person just messaged, first line will be showing here. Suppose if you want to turn off notification on lock screen, just do it and there will be no notification after locking your phone. Okay, if you want to have the notification, use either only icons or details. It is better to use icons only, otherwise your personal data, personal messages will be visible to others. Okay, you can also make hide content. Click on notification to show. Here you can select alert and silent notification or alert notifications only. Okay, this means alert and silent notification. First notification will be appeared, and immediately after few seconds they will be disappeared, and it will be alert. It will give you alert, and it will be immediately hidden after that. And then next one, alert notifications only. That means notifications will be staying longer time. So it is better to use first option, alert and silent notifications. Now click on done and back up your pattern. It's asking. So click on agree and it will be backed up in the email that you have provided with your phone. Now pattern is set, and put lock in your tablet and try to unlock with pattern that you set now. Yes, it's working very well. Again I am showing. Yes. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.